Hello once again, YouTube family. Alright, some of you saw the video of my brother's Ryker. He wanted me to paint some trim pieces on it and things like that. And I was positive about it. Yeah, I'm a fairly decent painter, especially with a rattle can. But he wanted me to use PlastiDip. And I've used PlastiDip before, but only in white and black. He chose Blaze green, and I didn't know it until looking closer at the cap and when I started painting it, but it's a translucent color. It's not solid like the red, or I'm sorry, the black or the white. So while it's a nice color, you can see my finger's right through it, and I don't have light behind it. I'm facing the concrete and away from the doors. So it is a translucent color. It's not blending very well. See that? You can see the black coming through. Not only that, but this is how much I've put on there. There's probably about 8 to 10 coats. You can see that's pretty thick. That's what she said. But yeah. And it's still translucent. You can still see through it. You can see my finger coming through it. So it's not a very good covering PlastiDip. And he had parts that were black, white, and red. And that's an issue I'm running into. I even bought 2 more cans to add to it to try to get more coverage. And that's how I'm getting 8 to 10 coats. But doing it this way, you see all the rough edges? Let's see if we can get a better shot. It's not, even if I try to use a knife to cut the edges, it's not peeling off very well. And this is the part that I peeled off after I tried to trim around the edges, and it didn't look good. So I just went ahead and just peeled this whole thing off. That's how I know how thick this really is on the parts that I'm painting. Another thing that came up, and I'm pretty sure it's because of how many coats I put on there, is that it's developing these skin tags type things, and it's not debris in there. It just developed these, I call them skin tags, because it feels like skin. But yeah, they're on several of the pieces. There's a small one there that I can't even focus on that. I was able to pull that one off a little bit, but you can still see it. There's another one down here, another one here. So yeah, it's got these skin tags on there, and the coverage isn't all that great. I'm not real happy with it. So yeah, this is my first experience with an actual color instead of just white or black, and I like the green, but it being translucent, it's not covering. I got blotchiness in it, even though I'm using 4 cans and about 8 to 10 coats on each of the pieces. You can still see through it. There's blotchiness. Now I'm sure it probably would have helped if I would have done a white coat first and then put the green on and got rid of the red and the black, but hindsight, right? 2020. All right, let me know if any of you have had any of those experiences or anything like that, and what I might be able to do to fix it. All right, stay tuned.
There are SeadogSeven protocols, okay?
Triple black is back. Oops. Dress appropriately. There's a good reason for that. Honestly, I never have had this issue of putting something in a hole. Stay tuned.